So it's been said that if you change your mindset, you can change your life. You know, you've heard this before. Many gurus and so forth talk about changing the mindset. But you know, what really does that encompass? And, you know, more importantly, how do you do that? Good morning, Transformers. Angelo Reynolds Sr. here. Welcome to the Transformation Vitamin. Thank God it's Friday. We talked about Monday being Monday, but Friday is Friday. How do you change your mindset? See, my vision and my thoughts on mindset has a lot to do with the obstacles, the challenges, the setbacks, and the failures that we all experience. But more importantly, how do we overcome them? How do we come back from the setbacks? How do we defeat the challenges that we are presented with? And that is what determines our mindset. So, you know, in many cases, if you're on a journey, if you're on the path of trying to do something, you have this road of construction, if you will, that there's always some bumps here, there's some bumps there. And you have to try to figure out how you're going to get to the other side. Well, it takes a mental strain and drain on the brain. And that's where your mindset comes in. So ask yourself today, do you need to shift your mindset to overcome the challenges, come back from the setbacks, and stay on your path to recovery? I know it's difficult for you. Many of you have been contemplating, should you go forward? Today, I'm saying the mindset is like a switch. You turn it off and turn it on. You turn it on when you want to get motivated. You turn it off when you feel sometimes hopeless. I don't want you to feel hopeless. I want you to be hopeful. And so today, as you're departing on your Friday and getting ready for your weekend, I want you to think about where is your mindset and how it needs to be adjusted. For myself, 7 years, couldn't work, unemployed, convicted felon, deal with alcohol abuse and drugs. But it was the mindset, the ultimate mindset, and my decision to bring myself back, to get rid of the alcohol abuse, to get rid of the self-destructive behaviors, and put myself in a position where I could become employable once everything subsided. So I want you to think about your own journey, think about your own path, think about your own challenges, but thinking about what is it going to take to shift the mindset. And guess what? Mindset has nothing to do with your age. Whether you're 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, or 100 years old, the mindset is totally incumbent upon what you're able to do. I hope that you're safe. Be safe, my friends. And remember, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice to someone. And if you think for a moment that your relationship